check with my workshop, he says if he don't report, his premium will go up. Then he can still don't acknowledge that he caused the accident. This is what the workshop says. So that's why he says the damages cannot be proceeded unless I pay first. Then wait for the claims. It can be a few years, it can be a few weeks. The TP says they cannot do anything also. They can only charge him for whatever offences. But he cannot ask you to go and make a report and then ask the insurance to pay me.